Do you want to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox and take Windows OS for a test drive? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox and take Windows OS for a test drive. Here we will see step-by-step guide on the installation of Windows 11 on Oracle VirtualBox and then test drive Windows 11 in VirtualBox. We have already seen how to install Windows on Oracle's VirtualBox, but we still go through the process and then focus on how to test drive Windows OS in VirtualBox. Test drive Windows 11 in VirtualBox. There are many VMs, but we will be using VirtualBox. For running it as VM, I wouldn't run it on less than say 4GB for 64 bits machines. Also, your PC should support virtualization, Intel virtualization technology or AMD virtualization technology. First of all, check if your PC supports virtualization following this guide. Now, download Oracle's VirtualBox from here. Next, have an image of the Windows OS ready. If you do not have the Windows 11 ISO, follow this guide to download Windows 11 ISO from the official website. Let us start the installation of VirtualBox. During the install, you might be asked, would you like to install this device software? Just say install and proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions during install. As you reach the screen, click on New to start the process of creating a new virtual machine. Follow the wizard instructions, enter name. I have entered the name as Windows 11 CP or anything else as per your wish. In OS type, for operating system, choose Microsoft Windows and for version choose Windows 11. Check if there is a newer version of VirtualBox available. In the next screen, you have to select the amount of RAM you want to allocate to the VM. If you have 4GB, allocate approximately 50%, which is approximately 2GB. Next, select the Create New Hard Disk option. Select the default VDI option for the type of file for the new virtual disk, as we will be running this on VirtualBox. Next, select Fixed Size for the virtual disk file, as I assume you will at least allocate 20GB for it. Fixed size will be faster to use. Next, provide the location for the virtual disk to be created. I have left it at its default location on C drive and provided 20GB as its size. So once all this configuration is done, it will provide the summary page. Check the parameters and press the Create button. The creation process begins and takes a bit of time depending on the kind of machine you have. Note that you can alter many of these configurations at a later stage also, so you can further tweak these settings using the settings option from the main window. Once the virtual disk is created, you will get this window. Let us start with tuning. From the settings, select System, then Motherboard. Make sure Enable I/O API-C is ticked. Adjust base memory a bit less than 50%, else you will see the warning as shown. Set chipset to ICH9. Though you can also use PIIX3 but may have poorer performance. Next, we will see System, then Processor and check Enable PAE/NX in Extended feature. And if you have a multi-core processor, you can set it to use 2, else leave it as it is. Now in System, select Acceleration, enable VT-X/AMD-V and also nested paging. Now moving to Settings, open Display, then enable both 2D and 3D video acceleration and increase the video memory via slider as per your system. Next, we will see Settings, then Storage. Under SATA, enable Use Host Input-Output Cache. If you see that your Windows 11 ISO gets mounted, then fine, else use the IDE with ICH6 type controller. Test drive Windows 11 in VirtualBox. Now the Windows installation will begin. The installation and its screenshots will be similar to what you expect in a normal installation on native hardware. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Install Now. Enter the product key which is given to you. Also, note that the keyboard icon which opens up an online keyboard useful for installation on a tablet. In the next screen, accept the license terms and then choose Custom Install Windows Only option. This will show the 20GB space on which the installation will be done, which we had allotted earlier. If we are doing a regular install on a dual install, that is on a hard disk with different partitions, then we may see this kind of screenshot. Next, the installation will begin and will take 10 to 15 minutes or more depending on your machine. The computer will also restart during the installation. After that, you will also get the personalized message option. Next is the option where you have to choose if you want to sign into Windows using Microsoft account or your normal local account, and its benefits are listed on the screen. If you don't want to use your live ID to sign in, just click on Next. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.